Think ChatGPT was wild? Wait till you see these 20 mind-blowing AI tools in 2025.
Welcome to SkillSnap, where you master life-changing tools in 2 minutes or less. Perplexity AI, like ChatGPT, but with real-time search and cited answers. Gamma creates stunning presentations from simple text, no design skills needed. Leonardo AI turns your sketches into hyper-realistic concept art for free. Scribe turns your screen recording into step-by-step guides, game changer for teams. Clone your voice with 11 Labs, freakishly real, great for content. Descript edits videos by editing words. Yup, text-based editing magic. Ideogram generates fonts and typography inside images. Designers, this is gold. ClipDrop removes backgrounds, adds depth, and enhances images in seconds. Turn real-life objects into 3D models with just your phone camera. Luma Labs is wild. Poe gives you instant access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all in one place. Recraft creates scalable vector art from anything. AI plus design in harmony. Opus Clip chops long videos into viral shorts using AI highlights. Notion AI writes, plans, and organizes. It's your second brain, literally. GenCraft generates stunning visual stories from prompts, scroll-stopping content. Runway lets you edit and animate videos with AI, Hollywood's new toy. Crisp removes background noise in calls, crystal clear audio, always. Pictory creates full videos from blog posts. Just paste your link and go. TLDV auto-summarizes Zoom calls and tags key moments for replay. Magnific AI upscales images to insane detail, even textures pop. Kyber turns your music into animated AI videos. Visualize your sound. That's your power pack. Grab the free cheat sheet below and hit subscribe. SkillSnap's just getting started.